Kenneth Miller, a current professor at Brown University, began his interest in science at a young age in school. He performed extremely well in science classes and worked very hard academically. Miller went to Rahway High School and then attended Brown University for his undergrad and then University of Colorado Boulder for his grad school. Miller was born into a poor family and had to achieve all of his progress by merit alone. He was only able to attend college because of a scholarship he earned in high school. Despite devoting a large amount of his time to his studies, Miller also knew how to have a life outside of school. He was a star swimmer in high school and college. He also knew how to have fun. He fully admits to having his fair share of partying and reckless behavior in his formative years, even including throwing apples from the dining hall through open windows of frat houses. He was also very social, which stands to show that the scientist stereotype isn't accurate. Kenneth Miller stands out to me specifically because of how down-to-earth he is. He's sociable and has had a number of the same struggles which I myself have had. He's Catholic and has spoken at length about that perspective on topics such as evolution, which I myself found to be very captivating. Miller performed well in school, yet got C's in both semesters of OChem, which I find extremely relatable for myself, and he knew how to have a good time. While Miller's recent work focuses more on writing textbooks and public speaking, his early work focused on chloroplast membranes, specifically on the reason membrane stacking occurs. This includes the functions and the form of said membranes. The most recent paper authored by Miller that deals with experimentation is structure of a bacterial photosynthetic membrane. In this experiment, thylakoid membranes were extracted from R. viridis and examined using freeze etching, a process consisting of break and frozen specimen so that internal structures can be examined. Then the membranes were stained and examined using an electron microscope. Miller discovered how the membranes are stacked in the cell, and also that the individual membranes consist of a pattern of small hexagonal subunits. What needs to be done now is experimentation on how these membranes function in processes like nutrient transfer, cellular defense, and cellular adhesion.